Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I am going to be installing new floor panels for the Traxxas TRX4 Bronco. So this is part number 8218, and during one of my recent runs I broke the floor pan where the rock sliders screw on. I did try to shoe glue it, but not really holding too well, so I'm going to just go ahead and replace the entire thing. I think the part cost me about 12 bucks, so I'll go ahead and get it installed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back out the fender, the screw in the front part of the rear fender, just to give myself some room. The screw in the back will have to come out. The screw holding the antenna will have to come out, as well as the rock slider screws. Underneath are the screws for the receiver box, so they'll be coming out, and then I will just go ahead and loosen up the screw up front on the rear of the front fender, just to give myself some wiggle room. May not have to do this, we'll see. Alright, I'm going to get the bottom two screws of the floor pan removed. Alright, and this back screw does actually hold in the rear link, so I need to be careful when I put everything back together that I get everything lined up and everything goes back together the way it should. Alright, so the floor piece is off. I'm going to go ahead and put on the new piece. Just going to do the reverse process, put all the screws back in. Alright, so that's pretty much all there is to it. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. One thing to note is that when you go ahead and put on the receiver box here, just make sure the wires aren't in the way when you go ahead and reinstall it. You don't want to pinch the wires underneath that box. But pretty straightforward, pretty easy install. Now I'm not going to install the other side because the truck is fairly new. There's nothing wrong with the other side, so I'll just save it just in case something should happen, but I did replace the broken side. Alright guys, so that's about it. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. See you soon.